Hello Internet, welcome back. Today I'm going to give you a quick little tutorial and overview on how I make some of my stickers. Big thank you to all my patrons who have tuned in and supported me for all this time. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for all your help. Going into my sticker process, I always take a illustration or painting I've done and I like to turn them into stickers, and people really enjoy having a small piece that they can purchase and take home with them. They don't need always a giant print or something like that. Sometimes people just want a small piece of art that they can bring around with them. It's good for decorating and stuff like that. So I think stickers are kind of a nice way for people to be able to enjoy coming to a festival or coming to your booth and have something they can take away that's not like super pricey. It's especially really good if you're going to go to shows that have a lot of kids who are attending and really enjoy stuff, but they don't have a lot of pocket change or something like that. So I like to make stickers of my designs, but I find that sometimes they're not always going to transfer as well from a larger illustration to a sticker. They'll be very small and they can lose a lot of detail that way. So one of the things that I like to do is clean these up with whatever photo editing app you have. I use Photoshop, but you don't have to use that. There's a lot of different types of programs that are out there, whether you're using a phone or a tablet or a computer. There's a lot of different ways you can do that. But I do like to clean up my areas. So Harley I did in ink and marker. I really wanted her to kind of pop a little bit more when I turned her into a sticker, because she could be slapped on a notebook or something like that. And I also knew I wanted to upload her to Redbubble so people could have her on maybe a mug or something. So I wanted her to be a little cleaner, because a lot of times people just want something a lot more, I don't know, the line art needs to be a little bit cleaner and stuff like that whenever that's going to be on some merchandise. So I go through and I edited out a lot of little inconsistent areas that are fine whenever it's an illustration, but maybe don't look as good whenever it's going to be a sticker or on a mug or something like that. So what I did primarily was went through and focused on the highlight areas and the outlines. I went through and cleaned up a lot of little spots, making the line art smoother, getting rid of little areas where I'd gotten outside the lines. There's not a whole lot of those, just marker bleeds, and that's totally normal, but it makes a bit of a difference whenever you're going to be printing them. So I went through and cleaned her all up, and then I cut her out in a circle and got rid of any excess that was going to be on the outside so that she has a nice transparent background. I also added my watermark, so I added my name on there so people would know where it came from. And now you can see side by side the initial sketch in my sketchbook that I scanned, and then you see the final version in my Photoshop. Afterwards, I sent this over to my friends at Sticker Mule. I printed them at 2 inches, so they're 2 inch in diameter, and they look really cute, and I'm super happy with them. I think that stickers are a really good way to get people engaged with your work. Sometimes I give them away as little gifts for people, and I always have them for sale, and I think that they're a really nice, engaging thing to have for people, especially at festivals. Anyway, thank you for watching my video. I thoroughly appreciate you all. I know I've been a little bit slow with getting videos uploaded, but we've had such a busy festival schedule, and I'm just kind of taking some downtime now and recuperating. As usual, stay spooky, stay active, and I appreciate all of you. If you want to support me on Patreon, check out my page. I've got a lot of perks for people, and I will see you later. Thanks so much.